up everyone, it is your girl again, Winnifred. Again, still in another video, another people tutorial, computer tutorial. Once again, I'm taking you through the process of creating a result in Microsoft Excel. How simply you can create the results. So first of all, what you're going to do, you shall open your Microsoft Word application, Microsoft Excel, which is one of the application files in the program. Now, for example, mine here, I shall open the folder because we want to create a result. My folder is already here, my existing folder. Come on, open our folder. Yeah, from our folder we shall come and open Microsoft Excel. It is there. Already we are having our data and we want to work on this data. For example, we have already typed in other works like first of all, let me take you through the process through the different features on the toolbar. When we are dealing in Excel, we have insert, page layout, formulas, data review, and many others. Under insert, you can insert a lot of stuff: charts, graphs, line, column, slicer, all those. And under page layout, it is just the format, how the page is going to appear, how it is going to be seen, look at it. And then formulas, these are just mathematical formulas, like you use them for calculations, because in Microsoft Excel we deal with computations, we deal in figures. So formulas, they're just there best to help you on calculating some of those steps, mathematical steps, statistics. Then we have data, how to sort your data, how to filter such stuff. Okay. Now we shall, for this case, we are handling the results of many students, of which we have the names here. We have Akanyo, what, and we are dealing in the subjects like physics, math, chemistry, biology. Then I shall take you through the process of how now we can calculate the marks best. For example, if we would want to take to get a total, for the total case, we can get using two formats. We can either use formulas or we can also use functions. Yeah, like that. So can be there. For example, when we are calculating the total, now we want to get the total marks, the overall total marks for in all the physics. So there I shall take you how to use the formula, the function actually. Let me take you how we use the function. So first of all, we shall look for our is equal to sign. You press is equal to, and then, because in this case we are dealing in sum, addition, sum, not subtraction, not division, and sum, just come and type in capital letter sum, because we are dealing with addition. The next step, you open the bracket. That one is how we can use functions. So you open bracket, you come and type in the range. Like for our case in Excel, first of all we have cell addresses. So for our case here, we are dealing in B. We would want to add the things in B, so you just come and put from B2, because we are adding from up B2, then up to the last person, that is Otieno, which is B7. And so you come and click 1 from B2. We have our B2, 2, to B7, then you close bracket, parentheses actually, then now you come and click and it shall bring us the total. So now for the rest, for the case, we shall also, if you come and put your cursor here, you shall see the function is there displayed on the function board. And so just now, for the rest of the marks, the subjects, you just come and put your cursor here on this side, and then you just scroll it like this, you drag it, and others shall also. It simplifies the work because it is the same process. Now, also average. I shall take you how to use the average, the functions for average. So it is, we still repeat the same thing. You start with is equal to, is equal to sign, and then you just come and put average because we are dealing in division, but you don't put it as division, you put it average, still in capital letters, average, and then you open bracket, parentheses. After opening the parentheses, again you go and select your range. Like for our case, still we are dealing in the same thing. B2, our cell address is still B2 to B7. 2, B7, which is this one. Just bring itself automatically. You close the parentheses, and the same thing also. There we have our average. Now for the next one, because they are still using the same formula, the same function, just come and put your cursor here at the corner where you see the solid tab there, the solid square. Then you just come and drag. You drag it throughout. You drag it, you drag it, you drag it, and it shall bring you other averages also. Simplify. Now it just simplifies our work. That's how simple it is. And now I want again to take you through the process on how best we can use formulas. And there again we shall use it. The first thing you do, you put your cursor, you start with also is equal sign, is equal to, and then now you start adding, and now for our case we would want to add like individual total, the total marks for all the students individually, again now we shall use formulas. So is equal to a b2 plus plus c2, then again plus 40, then again plus 70, and there we have it. Plus no way. Plus E Now, sorry for that. This one that called errors. This one that called errors. So we go back. We start again. Is equal to equal sign. Then you open. You add a. Now we want to start from here. Plus this one. Plus this one. And plus that one. And we get our total score. Actually, you put a equal sign. You open bracket. V1 plus cross parentheses, and there you have your total marks. So the only thing is also repeat the procedure. You just come and now drag, because it is the same thing. You are dealing with the same thing, individual total, and there it is. You have to work it, because every step or it can be shown there at the function bar, the formulas, how you calculate it. So you cannot just use your calculator from somewhere and then you fix the values there. No, you're supposed to perform it and show it there. So it is there. That one is individual totals. Now again we want to get the individual average. So we shall be like is equal to, we shall not use function, we shall use formulas too. Is equal to, you open parentheses, we'll put like 80 plus 70 plus 40 plus 77, then you close parentheses, and then what you do, you divide. Our division sign is here to the total number 1, 2, 3, 4, which is we have 4 subjects, so 4. Divide it by 4, and there we have it. So this is the individual. The individual average, not the total average. Now again, I shall take you on the next step on how we can get the positions. How we can get the positions. The positions of each student. And so for our case, if you're putting position, you just come and do it. But position, it is like ranking. So we shall rank it. We shall rank all of them. We shall rank. So you just come and put equal sign, and in this case we shall be using functions. Then you put your your cursor. You put your equal sign. After putting equal sign, you type your rank. Rank in capital letter. So we shall open parentheses. Open parentheses. You come and put the value. For our case, we shall be ranking. The individuals according to the individual average. We shall be using the individual average. So we shall rank. We have 66.75. So, like for example, we put it as rank. If we want to rank, yeah, for our case we are dealing in G. So the cell reference is G2, and then you put a comma, then again you put the dollar sign, you click on the dollar sign, but you use some F4 function, you use some function key, but right now we shall be using the dollar sign. You click on the dollar sign, you put again, you write, we shall be dealing in G2, you click on the dollar sign again, and then you put that 2 there, 2, 2, because we are ranking the range, it is ranging from G2 to G7 up to 10, from Akanya up to 10. So the next one is J, you open, you put the dollar sign, you write J7, put again the dollar sign, and you put the 7, and then now you put comma, that's 7. Good. Even you can see it has highlighted. What the range. So from here it shall bring an ask option. If you want to compositions, then you rank them from descending order. You click on 0. You put the 0. If you want to arrange them in ascending order, you will put 1, but for our case we want to arrange from descending order, so shall put there 0, and then now you close the parentheses, and then we have finished our step. So that's the process. Now you just come and drag, and the rest shall be. Yeah, it is. Now that one is the process of positions, creating positions, giving positions to each individual. So now from there we want to comment. We can comment if it is good, if it is bad, if it is weak, if it is very good or excellent. So the first step is also the same, is equal to sign, has very use, much use here. So I shall also be using function is equal to, then you type in if, but in capital letters, then you open the parentheses again. Now we want to rank. If 80, if G2, we are ranking using also still the individual average. If G2 is greater than 70. No, not greater than 70. Let me say, yeah, it is greater than 70. Comma. You put that comma. Again, now you come and open double quotes. Very good. Very good. You close the quotation mark. And then you put again comma. And then again you put if, you type your if again, you open parentheses, still, you repeat the same thing, G2, because we are ranking from this one, G2 is greater than is greater than 60, is greater than 50. No. 50, comma, put your comma, you open double parenthesis, is good, you close, and then comma again, and then again if you shall determine, you can see it just from your range. It can also be 100 when the individual is having like over 90 average, 80, but for our case we are stopping it because our best student is having 66.75, so we are starting to range from 70. So here we have if again. Now if we want to determine if now this one is going to be less than, if it is less than 50, together for the rest, if you open bracket, G2 is less than if G2 is less than 50, you open your comma, put your comma, open double parenthesis, weak, a student should be weak, you close, you close your stuff, and then now you put your comma. Now pay attention, we have to close using the number of brackets that we have used. Like here we have 1, 2, 3. We have opened 3 brackets, so we are going to close using also 3 parentheses, 1, 2, 3, and also you can be seeing the color, it can match the other one. So there we have it. We have already commented on our result. This one has performed well, so that's still the same thing. You simplify, you just come on track, and the rest shall be done. Yeah, we have good, weak. Unfortunately, we don't have anyone in very good. So that's how simple you can create the result. You can comment. So now we can, for each individual, we can insert the table, but this one is the overall result. So if we want to insert the border, let's come, you come and page layout here. If you want to change it, how it should appear, margins, orientation, landscape, yeah, all those. So if you want to put the border now, border, page border, page border, page border. Our page border. Now just come and you come to the option home, and from the top you go to home. Then now you just come and click, you pick border, you get like different options of borders here. But for our case now we're wanting, should I say, let us use all border, pick border, let us use all borders. Yeah, that is our overall result. As simple as that. I've already created the overall results for the students with their marks, even their positions. We have commented, and we can use different, like we can use functions and formulas. So, but it can just display everything. Now it can show us how we just calculated this way. As simple as that. Stay with me again as I take you through another process in the next video on how we can use Microsoft Word presentation to create an appealing advertisement, appealing what? Yeah, thank you for your time. Yes, you come and save your work now. You go to files, then you come and save. You come and save. Or you can just also do the same thing. You just press Ctrl S. Your result is saved and ready to be printed out. As simple as that. Thank you. Yeah, we shall close our stuff, and that's the end of it.